Early again. They're early again. Again.
The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KHC31's public warning system.
Wait.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers.
Are you freaking kidding me? WX167 did not activate. Why? Why? Really? We're gonna do it ourselves then.
The test will be postponed to the following Wednesday.
That's good enough.
Watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast North Carolina: Bladen, Brunswick, Columbus, Pender.
Well, I think everything else went off.
This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio
that's not bad.
public warning alarm system. We now return you to the normal program schedule.
There's the 519 that went off.
Coastal waters from Surf City to Cape Fear, North Carolina, out 20 nautical miles.
But once again, with them going early again. You guys gotta stop going early, people. Also, before we end the video, I heard it playing outside. Hold on. I don't know, I think it passes already. Oh well. Oh well. There's another early RWT for you.